We had a great running back. We had a great quarterback. And I kind of was in there. I didn't get invited to the combine, but when the guys, the NFL scouts came to Nebraska and tested me out, they're like, where'd this guy come from? Yeah. Called me up and said, hey, you're going to play for Detroit. You know, you're not going to run the ball. You're not going to catch the ball. We're going to block for number 20. And I'm like, well, I can try to do that. The first game against the Steelers, my rookie year, I'm standing next to Barry Sanders, Three River Stadium. Like, this is awesome. That's probably my best memory. Is just, yeah. My second year, the first mini camp, they came up to me and said, well, we're going back to run and shoot. I'm like, well, there's no fullback in this offense here at all, so you guys got to get rid of me. And they're like, no, just keep, you know, playing special teams. And I'm like, all right. So basically, I was a special teams person.
Yeah, did very well with it, though.
Well, exactly. So when I was a special teams person, when they say go hit the wedge, I'm going to use this 50-pound bowling ball. I'm going to hit the wedge. So, you know, God blessed me with this thing, and he said, you know what, you're going to utilize it. So I did, and it worked out pretty well.
I think we won the 4 in a row, and now we do have this one bowl game, and we do have this national championship waiting for us. And last year, it was pretty close, and I think we should have had it, but this year we're going to do it. So the unfinished business is going to happen this year.
Schlesinger. Touchdown. Here, Schlesinger has another touchdown.
Schlesinger, the fullback, touchdown.
dance you like.